How to switch from e-filing to mailing on H&R Block. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, what you want to do is simply head over to any of your preferred web browser. Once you're in here, you have to move into the official site of TurboTax. Enter a login credential as in the email address and the password, and then log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this page. Now, click on Intuit account at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will land on this page. Now, in this page, you need to head over to Documents. Well, if you have been using this TurboTax account since long, then all the files will be available to you in this page. You will also be able to see the option where it says Switch. All you want to do is click on it. And instead of e-filing, you have to select Mailing. Once you have selected Mailing, tap on Save, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can switch from e-filing to mailing on H&R Block. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.